Hi, this is Doug Jefferson with Module 11, Giving Gifts to Students or Staff. Starting with students and concerned with fundraising events, one of the first things you should do is you should only give to those who participated in the event. Next, the prizes must be age appropriate. Also, you need to make sure that it doesn't affect the profitability of the event. Also, funds raised by a student group that will receive the gifts and nobody else. Gifts not related to fundraising should not favor one group or over another. Staying with students, however, this one's concerned with special achievement. The gift should be nominal and age appropriate. Also, fundraising for awards may come from the general fund donation or athletic fund, depending on what was being raised, the money was being raised for. For staff members, it should be guided by written procedures and coordinated by a committee. The group should meet at least once per year to review guidelines and amounts, and the money must come from dues that it raised specifically for the event. Another topic, all staff gifts. Again, it should be nominal and paid for with staff-generated funds, and cash or equivalent items should not be given to employees unless the amount is added to their W-2s. And finally, concerning special efforts or specific students, this usually takes place when there's an illness or a catastrophic event affecting a student or a family in the school or in a district. Any money that is given is part of the employee's taxable income, so if a parent teaches at that school and the school raised money and gave it to that parent that's an educator there, then they need to include that on their W-2s. And the best approach is to work with a parent organization and have a local bank handle the funds. Therefore, the money's not floating around in school and going to different places or changing hands so often.